Hello and welcome to another episode. This time I hiked up to Big Almaty Lake here in Kazakhstan together with my friends on a tube. I hope you enjoyed the video. Good morning or afternoon. Today I'm gonna go to Almaty Lake, which is pretty close to Almaty, and it's perfect for a day trip. I actually planned to go there and hike up to Big Almaty peak as well, but the weather is not so good. I mean, right now the sun comes up, but it's supposed to rain afterwards. So yeah, I decided just to go on a day trip, and I'm happy that I have company with me.
Hi,
Alex and
welcome
Dana.
to Kazakhstan.
Yeah, thank you. We will go together to Almaty Lake. The road is closed. Usually you can drive up, but since 1 year I think you can't take your car up there. There are some semi-legal kind of electric taxis going there, but it's super expensive, 30,000 tenge, which is like 60 euros, something like that. So yeah, we decided to walk all the way up. It's 10 kilometers. We're fit, so it's gonna take us like 3 hours. We're so lucky with the weather. I thought it will rain, maybe later, but for now we are enjoying the sun.
They're very scared of people. They don't come
They're
in
shy,
civilization like here.
So there was never an incident with someone being attacked by...
Maybe 1 or 2 times
Yeah?
for 100 years. 2 months ago, one snow leopard come down in Shimbolak mountain resort.
Oh yeah?
You know, it's near city.
And people
And
spotted.
some guy from taxi saw him, like from 200 meters. Like
Wow,
here.
okay.
He
was
eats
lucky.
some plastic
Oh
bag,
no, oh
and
no.
after he was found here, he dead.
No way, really?
Yes,
That's horrible.
because he eat plastic.
Shit. Oh, that's so awful.
Yes, it's problem.
While we were walking up, a few military trucks passed us because we were very close to the Kyrgyz border. Alex is a well-known photographer and videographer here in Kazakhstan. So every now and then we'll have a rest, and he took out his drone. On a hot day, you just need a drone. Only 3 kilometers left. It's not so exhausting. So cold. In this tube, the drinking water from Almaty Lake goes all the way down to Almaty. It's a different way of hiking for sure. Oh, be careful here.
Yeah, be careful.
Do people normally walk up here, or should we go down there?
No, you can walk here. It's okay. Yes, it's faster.
Cool. What is it? Not slippery.
I'll take you away to where the sun shines.
also had to show our passports here because it's close to the Kyrgyzstan border. Yeah.
Nice works.
Because the lake is the water source of Almaty, no swimming is permitted in Big Almaty Lake. It's not even allowed to go close. We are almost there and now it's starting to rain. Patience is the key, yeah. In 20 minutes it will be better for sure.
Nice thing for hiking.
Yeah,
It's a
rain jacket and umbrella.
It's really useful now.
Yeah, it is.
Choose
Any tree.
Yeah.
I want the best one.
We can go here.
Yeah,
Maybe, or
let's go there.
here not so many trees. It's our new house. Here no water.
Luckily, we found shelter under a big firm tree. You're like our mother, taking care of us so much. Thank you. In a good way. Like a babushka.
Babushka boy. Yo.
Babushka boy.
And as I said, after 20 minutes the rain stopped and we went down to the viewpoint.
Yeah. It was worth it. Now we're here. Oh, look at the colors. So beautiful. It's amazing.
I searched my whole life through just to find you. Underneath these pines, I've thrown myself into the waters where you've been waiting all this time. I searched my whole life through just to find you. Underneath these pines, I've thrown myself into the waters where you've been waiting all this time.
Wow, it's incredible with these reflections. Wow, cool. Usually the level of the lake is higher, so you can see on the marks there how high it actually is in autumn. So now it's maybe like 10 meters lower than in October, September. An interesting fact, this lake and also another lake in this area called Kolsai Lake, they were created by earthquakes. Sun is up, so nice. Oh, so beautiful. And the flowers everywhere, it's like a dreamland. And this is Soviet Peak, 4,300 meters. And behind there, you can spot Kyrgyzstan.
Oh fuck.
The good weather didn't last for too long. Now it's raining again, so we will go back. But I think we spent quite a while here. Took some great drone shots also. And yeah, not so many people, not too crowded. It was really nice. I enjoyed this place a lot, even though it's pretty cold. I really need a warm shower afterwards. Now we're seen off by a beautiful rainbow at the end of the day.
Just when I found something special, I threw it all away. I'm home, the clock
That was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the view of Big Almaty Lake as much as I did. Now we're having a proper dinner together and then we're going back to Almaty. In the next video you'll find me in the desert.